In this video, I will show you how to turn on footsteps in Fortnite PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my PS5 dashboard. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up Fortnite. And here we are, as you can see in Fortnite. Now to go ahead and turn on footsteps, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and press the options button on your controller. So that's this button here. What you want to do is just go ahead and press onto this. What that's going to do is bring up a menu on either the right or left hand side. Now from here you want to use L1, and what you want to do is come up to your settings and then press X to go into the settings menu. From here what you're going to want to do is press R1 on your controller to come into the audio section, and then what you want to do is press right when you're on volume to come into the volume settings. Now to turn on footsteps, all you need to do is come down to the sound section just down here, and down here you can see it says visualize sound effects. So what you want to do is actually turn this on. So you want to press X, and then what you can do is use left or right on your controller, go down to on, and then press the triangle button to apply your changes. So once that's done, as you can see, visualize sound effects is now turned on, and what this does is basically enables you to turn on footsteps on Fortnite. So that is how to turn on footsteps on Fortnite on PS5. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.